this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to get the Chase Freedom Rise credit card. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and go up to creditcards.chase.com. From here, it should look something like this. And here you'll need to go over to all cards over here in the menu. Once you've done that, it should look something like this. And here you'll need to scroll down until you see the Freedom Rise credit card. You can also click Ctrl+F on your keyboard and click Freedom Rise like so to get it a bit faster. From here, it should look something like this. And here you'll need to click Apply Now. Once you've done that, you'll go into this page right here, the application page. And here you can read a little about the Freedom Rise credit card. And you can see you'll need a Chase Bank account, and if you don't have one, you can open up one right here by clicking online, and you'll also need to deposit at least $250. You can also see some of the benefits right here for getting the credit card. From here, you'll simply need to go down to personal info and write in your first name, middle name, last name, and suffix if you have that in your name. From here, you'll need to add in the identification, date of birth, and your mother's maiden name. You'll also need to add in a tax ID type where you can choose between your social security number or individual tax ID number. From here, you can write the social security number or ITIN number. And from here, you'll need to add in your home address, where you can add either domestic or a military address if you want to do that. You can add the street address, the suite, the city, the state, and the zip code of your home address where you live. From here, you'll also need to add in your contact information like email and phone number so Chase Bank can contact you whether or not you have been accepted into the credit card program. From here, you'll need to go down to authentication for the Social Security Administration to disclose your Social Security number verification. And here you'll just need to check it's off to provide your electronic signature for this authentication above. From here, you'll need to add whether or not you're a student. Click yes. You'll need to add in school or university that you are currently in. And if you click no, you'll just need to skip it and add in your financial info, like residence, either if you own, rent, or other. You'll need to add in your employment status and your total gross annual income. From here, you'll need to go down here to authorized user. And as you can see here, you can add up to 5 authorized users to your account. So each 5 users will get a credit card for the same bank account. From here, you can add a paperless statement, and down here you can add the pricing and terms. And you can download it right here, but you can scroll down and read it if you want to do that. From here, you'll also see the certification where it will say some of the TOSs about this credit card. And from here, you'll just need to click I've read and agree above, and then click submit. From here, you'll get an email from Chase Bank that they have received your application, and then after a couple days, you'll get an answer whether or not you have been accepted. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!